On today's video, we are back with some weird technologies that you can only find in Japan, part 2. Armpit clip-on cooler fan. This device is perfect for those who feel uncomfortable walking around with sweaty armpit. You just need to tuck it in your sleeve and it will cooling down your armpit. If you're just curious about this product, you can buy one just for fun. Mute USB microphone. Apart from eating ramen, Japanese people also love karaoke. Some of them even go to karaoke even after extra work hours. If your voice is good, you must be confident singing karaoke in front of your friends. But what if you have a cranky voice? Don't worry, this mute USB microphone will save your life. This microphone will make other people unable to hear the user's voice. In fact, the user needs a headset to listen to his own voice. This microphone is also very practical because you can karaoke just by connecting the microphone to your cell phone. Toilet sun blocker. If you are an Asian or you are quite familiar with Asian culture, you may be aware that toilet sun might become red in some particular ways. Thus, some people in Japan usually use this toilet sun blocker to make sure that people around them do not feel uncomfortable or annoyed. This portable device has a relatively small size, so you can carry around this device anywhere you go.